Buy, Arctic Pablo meme coin. About Arctic Pablo meme coin. Arctic Pablo unfolds as an epic journey, transforming digital currency into a legendary adventure of discovery. Led by our bold explorer, Arctic Pablo invites you to embark on a quest through enchanted realms, uncovering ancient mysteries and hidden treasures at every turn. More than just a token, Arctic Pablo explores a dynamic, story-driven world where each stage reveals fresh experiences and exciting possibilities. Join us as we reimagine the boundaries of exploration, blending adventure, innovation, and community into one unforgettable expedition. How to buy. 1. Set up your wallet. Choose a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. Recommended wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase. 2. Acquire cryptocurrency. You will need cryptocurrency to buy Arctic Pablo coins. Accepted currencies include ETH, USDT, USDC, BNB. 3. Connect your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet type, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. 4. Participate in the pre-sale. Enter the amount of Arctic Pablo tokens you wish to purchase. Confirm the transaction details and click on the Buy button. 5. Complete the transaction. Review and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once confirmed, your Arctic Pablo coins will be shown on the website dashboard. Troubleshooting tips. Transaction not showing. If your transaction does not appear immediately, wait a few minutes and refresh the site. If it still doesn't show, clear your cache or change the web browser. Roadmap. Arctic Pablo's roadmap is an epic journey where each stage brings new adventures and unlocks fresh opportunities for our community. Starting with the initial concept, we dive into a dynamic presale, followed by exciting community building and innovative new features. As the journey unfolds, strategic partnerships and major exchange listings await, all crafted to amplify the Arctic Pablo experience. With every step, our roadmap fuels the vision of an evolving, story-driven world, inviting you to explore, discover, and be part of something unforgettable. Penguin on Iceberg Backpack on Iceberg. Phase 1, Concept Development, Q4 2024. Snowflake define project scope and objectives. Snowflake assemble development team. Snowflake develop initial smart contract prototypes. Phase 2, Pre-sale and marketing, Q1 2025. Snowflake launch pre-sale stages. Snowflake initiate marketing campaigns and community engagement. Snowflake integrate smart contracts and security features. Phase 3, Platform development, Q2 2025. Snowflake complete development of the Arctic Pablo platform. Phase 4, Public launch, Q3 2025. Snowflake launch Arctic Pablo coin on major exchanges. Snowflake expand community outreach and user acquisition. Phase 5, Post-launch and expansion, Q4 2025. Snowflake introduce additional features and enhancements. Snowflake explore partnerships and new market opportunities.